1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to 10. Let's learn colors name. Purple, violet, brown, red, green, pink, blue, green, yellow, sky blue, orange and black color. Brown color. 1, O-N-E 1. Violet color. 2, T-W-O 2. Green color. 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. Purple color. This is number 4, F-O-U-R 4. Orange color. 5, F-I-V-E 5. Red color. 6, S-I-X 6. Blue color. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. Pink color. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. Green color. 9, N-I-N-E 9. Sky blue color. 1, 0, 10, T-E-N 10. Kids, read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 with brown color. 2 with violet color. 3 with green color. 4 with purple color. 5 with orange color. 6 with red color. 7 with blue color. 8 with pink color. 9 with light green color. 10 with sky blue color. Thanks for watching. Kids, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.